So when we are combining like terms, the only terms that you can combine are those things that have the same variables. So in this question here, we have 16b and 15b are the only two that are like terms, so you can only combine those two things. So that would be 13 plus 16b, 16 plus 15 is 31, so that would be 13 plus 31b. With this problem, it's a little bit different because it is distributive property. So you want to distribute the negative 17 to both terms inside the parentheses. So when we multiply negative 17 times 15h, we get negative 255h. When we multiply negative 17 by negative 16, we get positive 272. So our expression simplifies down to negative 255h plus 272. In this equation, we have a distributive property again. Negative 15 distributes to both terms inside the parentheses. Negative 15 times negative 17 is positive 255. And negative 15 times 18, W is negative 270 W. And that's all we have right now for combining like terms.